So guys, the KLINK airdrop is officially live and a lot of people are having access to the airdrop. Now we all know what happens when an airdrop is being publicly launched. Now there's going to be a dramatic push to the downside and there's going to be a lot of people selling out to make money. Alright. But the interesting part about it is that if you're getting to purchase this airdrop or the particular token on time. Now in this video, I'm going to point out how to basically get your hands on KLINK and how to basically make use of KLINK Finance to make money. All right. If you're not being able to participate on the airdrop, here are some interesting opportunities for you. Now, as of the last time I made a video about the KLINK airdrop, you can basically see about 11 days ago when they are planning on their launching. All right. And I posted a video about this so you all can basically get all the information. Now, if you're watching this video for the very first time, please make sure to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to share the video out with your friends. If you do not have anybody to share this video, please just make sure to drop a thumbs up, like this video, and please try as much as possible to comment below what you think about this video. All right. Now, this particular airdrop is going to be available officially on all the exchanges that are going to be mentioned. If you check on their official Twitter handle right over here, you're going to notice right here they say KLINK is live on Binance, KuCoin, DYOR, PancakeSwap. You can see KLINK Finance / ecosystem and KLINK ecosystem link. All right. Now this is their contract address right over here. In case you want to use it on PancakeSwap, right, you can basically come over to their official page and copy out their PancakeSwap link. We have the global link, which is also provided, which is the KLINK global official link, all right, which is going to be available for you all to go through. And in case you want to know more about the KLINK airdrop, all right, there are a lot of information that are going to be provided for you on the website. Now the main important thing is that you have to get clear information about this particular project and how it operates, and also how to basically go about it. Now from my own angle, you can basically start with either the buying or the staking section, right, which is provided right here. So you can see powering the infrastructures of Web3 affiliate earning. All right, so this is the infrastructure token for Web3 affiliate offers. All right, you can see powering a global online earning platforms and a plug and play monetized layer of the apps, game, wallet, and protocols. Now if you go through this and you do not understand, you can basically copy out this whole information and paste it on your ChatGPT to get a clearer information about what they are saying right here. This is just like a simple tactics you can basically use to get information on time. Now we have the staking and in option, we have the buying the KLINK option right over here. You can see KLINK is live and accessible right now. For you to be able to get access to KLINK is very easy. These are a list of exchanges that you can basically get KLINK right from there. And also for their contract address is also still available live right here, which you can basically get your hands on. So affiliate partners, you can basically see right now over 507, and paid out to users is already provided, and users reach through SDK partner network also provided right over here. Now for affiliate economy and booming, you can basically see that you can start your earning right here. You can buy KLINKs also right from here. So if you scroll down, you get to see more information about the KLINK airdrop, how they basically participate, and how you can also focus on making money with them. All right, so information about KLINK airdrop is already being provided. All you have to know from this particular video is how do you get to buy KLINK airdrop. All right, so these are interesting tokens that you're going to be buying, and these are interesting tokens that are popping up. They have a high voltage of liquidity, and you can basically get to like purchase them and hold for a certain period of time. Now like I told you guys from the starting of the video, KLINK airdrop have actually been live for quite some time now, and currently the price is done. So it's the best opportunity for you to get your hands on KLINK airdrop and also wait for the initial push to the upside for us to be able to make money. All right, now this is the first thing I want you all to know about this. The information that is being provided about KLINK airdrop right over here is all going to be provided for you on the official website, which is also right here. All right, now for you to get access to KLINK airdrop, you have to have either any of these exchange, right? So you have to have either Binance, you have to have either KuCoin, DYOR, PancakeSwap, and any of these exchange can basically go for you. For PancakeSwap, you will need the contract address, but for Binance, KuCoin, or Get.io, you basically don't need the contract address. All right, I'm going to provide a simple way for you to do this. All right, so the first thing is that you have to download either KuCoin, and once you have your KuCoin, you can come to the trade menu and click to search for KLINK. All right, so you can basically see right now is down minus 12 right now, and you can basically see right over here on your KuCoin app, you can get to buy this particular KLINK splash USDT right on your spot trading section and hold it for a certain period of time. Now, KLINK is very interesting, and you can basically buy and hold for a certain period of time. And once it returns back to its initial price, you can either sell it or you can still continue holding it. All right. Now, the current price for KLINK is about $0.03513, which is not even up to $1. And if you are able to step in right now to purchase these for about either $100, $50, or $20, you are going to be bagging a good amount of it. So for you to know how much you're going to be bagging, so right over here, let's say we want to basically purchase a certain amount. All right, so let's say we want to purchase like $20 worth of KLINK. You are going to be getting about $572.5 worth of KLINK right over here. All right, and if you want to purchase like $100 of it, that's about 2,862 worth of this. Now just imagine if this actually pumps up to $1, your $100 automatically turn up to $2,800 for you. So that is one of the interesting things you need to know. All right, and if this pumps up to $1 when you purchase this for $20, you're going to be bagging about $572. So it's a clear opportunity for you to make money. With your $20, you can bag up to $500, all by purchasing KLINK and all by holding KLINK. All right, so this particular project is having good potentials, and you can purchase this particular token right now on the KuCoin app, or you can go over to the gate.io. all right, so you can go over to the gate.io and you can still get to purchase this token right over there. So come to the trading section, and on this menu right over here, what you basically need to do is to come and type in KLINK. all right, and once you're able to type in KLINK, you're going to be looking for it. All right, so the first important thing is that you have to have the application on your phone. All right, you have to have the application on your phone, and you can see right now that KLINK is provided right below here. Let me quickly look for it. All right, so it popped up just now. All right, so you can see right now KLINK is provided right here, and you can basically see you can purchase KLINK right from here. So if you come over here and you type in $20, that's still the same amount, about $574. If it pumps up to $1, you're making $571 from your $20, which you are trying to basically purchase this token. So give it a try. Let me know in the comment section, and if this is something that you want to basically like follow up with, please do not forget, this is an update that I'm trying to share with you guys, and please try as much as possible to subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay active, and share the update with your friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it's something more informative for you, please make sure to comment down below in this video. Peace out, guys.